This is a video from eSkills Zone. For more videos, notes, and certificates, please visit www.eskillszone.com.
Hello and welcome. Hi viewers. Today in this video we will learn a program to print the table of a given number. So we will create a program to print the table of a given number. The program should get the number from the user. So we will switch to the IDE of GW Basic Programming Language. So let's switch to it. So here we are, viewers. We will write a program on line number 10. We will type CLS to clear the contents of the screen. Line number 20 we will type input table and double quotes semicolon. T is the variable which is going to store and take the input from the user of the value for which the table is to be printed on the screen. Line number 30 we will type for loop. Is used a variable and start with the initial value 1 till 10, and since they are not specifying or writing any step right over here, so by default the step is 1. Whenever it is not mentioned, it means that there will be an increment of 1 from initial till final value. Line number 40 we will type print t semicolon double quotes asterisk double quotes semicolon and semicolon double quotes equal to sign double quotes semicolon t into n. Line number 50 will type next n to close the loop for loop, and line number 60 will type the end statement. So viewers, here in this I've told you guys in the previous videos that whenever input and print statements are used, so whatever is enclosed in the double quotes are always mentioned as it is on the output screen, but whatever is not mentioned, the value stored in that particular specific variable is stored and displayed on the screen. Like for input statement, it is used to take the input from the user while the execution of the program is being done, and print statement is used to display the result on the screen. So you can see right over here that t is not enclosed in the double quotes, n is also not enclosed, and t into n is also not. It means that the value of the t will be displayed right over here, and n will be displayed right over here, and t into n, the resultant multiplied value, will be displayed right over here, and the semicolons are used to give the spaces between all these used with the print statements. So whatever is enclosed with the double quotes, like this asterisk and double equal to sign, will be displayed as it is on the screen. So I'm gonna first save this program. I'll press the F4 key and type table.bas, and we'll press the F3 key to load this program, and then press the F2 key. So it asks the user to give the input for the value for which the tables will be printed on the screen. So I'm going to give 5 and press the enter key, so you can see there's a table right from 5 ones are 5 until 5 tens are 50. So this is how you can type and print a table of any value for which the value can be input from the user. So now I'm going to explain it line by line, so how this program is executed. So let's see. So now I'm going to interpret this program line by line. So it's line number 10, CLS is used. CLS statement is used to clear the contents of the screen. At line number 20, input statement is used to take the value of table in the variable named t the value input by the user will be stored in the memory for further calculation. At line number 30, for loop is used which has the initial value 1 and final value 10, and since there is no step keyword is used, so by default there will be an increment of 1. Okay, now at line number 40 you can see the print statement. This program is very simple to understand. Well, at line number 40 you can see the print statement which is used to display the result, means output on the screen, and whatever is enclosed in double quotes used with the print statement will be displayed on the output screen as it is, and the variables like variables named t and n are not enclosed in double quotes will just display the value stored in it, right? T is used to take the input from the user, whereas N is used to display the values from 1 till 10. The formula T into N is used to multiply from 1 till 10 with the value of T with N, so that a table of any value given, input means given or input by the user can be displayed on the screen. Next is used as a closure for statement, which means which means that the loop structure is now closed, or you can call it ended. So that's the whole explanation of the program line by line execution I've just explained to you guys. So that is more helpful for you to understand how this program is executed. It's very simple and is very quite helpful to understand how a table can be printed using a for loop. So that's all, and thanks for watching my video.